So what if I told you this entire award-winning website was built using Gemini? No developers, no expensive agency, and the craziest part is, this website includes the fully scroll-driven 3D animation that looks like something you normally see in awards. So in this video, I will show you the exact workflow I used. Start from how I copy the structure of an award-winning website, how I generate a complete implementation plan using Gemini, how I build an entire frontend using Gemini 3.5 Flash, and finally how I fixed a multiple complex 3D animation bugs using nothing but prompts and screenshots. So let's get started. This is a cool website I found on awards, and I really like how everything is arranged, the breathing space, the section, the cards, and the motions, everything. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna copy all the structure, design, sections, and everything by taking the screenshots and video recording, and also the using the links. First you need to do two things. First, take the screenshots using any tool you like, and just take the screenshot from head to toe, and then create a screen recording video. So I'm gonna just show you live, and this is the tool I'm gonna use. This is called the screen radio, and I'm gonna just no only screen, none, start. I'm gonna just select this as our Chrome tab, and then just take the video. So I took this video. Let me just play it for you. Okay, a detailed video, guys, and then save it, close, then go to Google AI Studio and go to Playground, close this, and we're gonna be using the Gemini 3.5 Flash, and we're gonna be using a high level of thinking, and turn on the URL context, then just paste the prompt, and this is the prompt, and we're gonna add the screenshots first. Come over here, upload files, add the files, and now add the video, then here add the link. Okay, now we have added everything, and all we need to do is just enter. Okay, just like that we got ourselves a implementation plan, and read this carefully. After making sure everything is all right, come over here, and then don't just copy as text. Okay, go down and copy as Markdown, then copy, then come over to our Visual Studio to make it into a page. Go to text file, and then just paste the whole thing, and this everything. Come over here, files, and save as. Select the folder where you want to save it, and just like that we have saved in .md file, I mean Markdown file. And this is the whole implementation plan. Next step is building the website. So I'm gonna be using this implementation plan and a simple prompt to create the front end. Okay, now let's just try building it. So I'm here at Google AI Studio, same, but we are in building phase, and make sure we are using our Gemini 3.5 Flash. That's the newest version. And then I'm gonna just paste the prompt. So this is a prompt, and then I'm gonna add one more thing, that is our implementation plan we have created. I'm gonna just upload the file. Our implementation plan is ready. Now let's just enter it, and it's gonna take about 2-3 minutes. Guys, it's done, and let me just show you full screen. Oh my god, as you can see, our Gemini is add our own animation here in the hero section. Only error was it didn't came to this section, I mean this particular place, and that was the only error I think. Okay, how about let's try to fix it. Come over here, paste the prompt, and add a screenshot, and then I'm gonna just enter, and just like that we have fixed it. Let me just show you in full screen. The size of this soda can is kinda big right now, but when we scroll down it's gonna get a little tight. It becomes smaller and smaller and smaller when we scroll down, and then it's gonna position right over there, and just like that. Now we have fixed that issue. Okay, now let's just fix the oversize thing. Right now you can see it's just too oversized in the hero section. Let's fix that with a prompt again. Wait, it's not showing up. Okay, it's shown up. And I'll just press the prompt, and then just enter. Okay, overall I made that can a little smaller, and it's working really fine now. Let me just full screen it, and now I'm gonna just scroll down and show you how things works. So it's gonna just get a little smaller than the regular one, and then it's gonna show right over here. Okay, right now it's kind of small, but let's keep it that way. and then everything is really works fine after that. And yeah, that's it. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. I will see you with the next awesome video. Thank you for watching.